Hey guys, it's your girl Stephanie. I'm back with instant edges. Today I will be showing you how to apply instant edges on one side of the head. As you can see, the other side of my head has a nice and neat swoop. And I will be finishing off my hairstyle with this nice drawstring. Voila, all we need is edges. That part. Okay, now to start to apply, you're going to need to remove the excess oil or residue of any gels or anything from your head. Instant edges will be packaged with alcohol pad, but in the meantime, we're going to wipe this here. We're going to wipe it off our ear. And now we are ready to go. We have our edges ready to be applied. And the first thing we want to do, we want to measure where we're going to put instant edges before we apply them. So if it looks neat, if it looks like it's going to be in the right place for you, then you're ready to go. And I think this is the place where I'm going to start my instant edges. I think that's nice. Okay. So now that I know where I'm going to place it, I'm going to take this warm water bottle, and I am going to mist it evenly, you guys. I should have counted the sprays, but just mist it evenly. Get it a little tacky. If it still feel like it's a little hard, like it came out the pack, you just wet that little area again just a little bit. You do not want to over wet it. Once again, guys, please do not over wet instant edges. Hold it like this. I usually wet here to give me a little moisture, and I'm going to properly place it where I need it. Wow, look at those edges. Now I am going to pat it where I need it in place. Now I will take the blow dryer to secure it in place. Just enough to secure it so you can style it. Now I'm going to take my comb, and I am going to comb instant edges lightly. You do not pull on them. I'm just brushing it into my hair. What doesn't fit, you can just gently remove from instant edges. And voila. There you go. It's instant edges. I'm going to spray here. You can spray water. Just a little, guys. Remember, do not over wet instant edges, because all you need is this part here and it to dry. Now, instant edges is ready to be styled, or you can shape and go like that. But now I'm going to shape and go. Your favorite edge control or gel, it doesn't matter, because now your edges are on. So now I'm just being treated like it's my real edges. Put me a little gel here. Just a little gel. I'll lay down gel, you guys. I'm going to take my edge brush, the comb. I'm going to take this comb, and I'm just going to lightly bring everything out. Lightly bring everything out into the natural. That's all. Now, guys, instant edges is already styled, so it doesn't take much just to blend the natural in. Whatever your favorite swoop is. As y'all can see. And that piece can be cut off if you want. It's all up to you guys. Everybody wear their edges different. And there it is, y'all. I add a little spritz back here to the back against the edges. Blend it into my ponytail. As y'all can see, it's blended in very well. I'll apply just a little heat to it. You notice instant edges does not go into the ponytail at all, guys. Do not put it into the ponytail. If it's too long and it goes to the ponytail, it is fine to take a tinkle comb with the blade and cut the extra hair off, or you can just cut it with some scissors, but you do not want it to go into your ponytail. I put a little heat to it. My hair is a 1B. I like jet black hair with instant edges. I don't have to dye my hair anymore because I'm covering it up with my favorite 1B. As you can see, now I am finished. That is how simple it is. You can cut this extra off. I'm going to go ahead. Voila. Instant edges, baby. Instant edges. That part all the way. And they're cute. Okay, now with my gorgeous turn up drawstring. That's that, baby. I think I got this ponytail. This ponytail is by Outre. It's called Pretty Quick. No problem. I am now going to put my nice drawstring on. Ooh, it's cute already, y'all. Look how cute it is. Oh my God, it's cute. Oh my God, it's too cute. It's too cute. I usually tie the extra string up and then I cut it so I can tuck it. Caught a little of my hair. And if a little edge is out, guys, pick it up. Put a little your favorite gel under it. Cut this extra off. Like I was telling you, it do not goes in the ponytail. So cut it off, and you're just gonna slick it back up into there. Tuck it in there real neat. Now that we're tucked, nipped. And voila. There we go, guys. With our nice bum 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 bum. And okay, guys, that will be all for one side of Instant Edges with a swoop. Stay tuned for my next tutorial with a bang and a bun, a bob, and also a slick back. Remember to like and subscribe and share. And thank you guys for tuning in to my channel. See you on the next one, baby. Yeah, that's cute, baby. Let's turn up.